Hello, my name is Adeline, and I'm going to show you how to use the formula for finding the midpoint. So, the assignment is to draw a line segment on a coordinate plane and identify the two endpoints. Describe in a screencast using your own voice how you could use the midpoint formula to divide the line segment into fourths. So, on this document that I already set up, I have my line segment here, and this point is 3, 5, and this one's -2, -3. So let's make this one x1 and y1, and we'll make this one x2 and y2. So this is the formula, and I'm just going to copy and paste it down here and replace the numbers. So x1 is -2. So -2 plus 3, and that's going to equal whatever, and then divide that by 2, and you get your x3, which is your x for your midpoint. So -2 plus, -2 plus 3 divided by 2. So that's going to be 0.5, and that is your x for your midpoint. The next one is for your y. Oh, I don't even need that. For your y, and that's going to be -3 plus 5. And -3 plus 5 equals 2, and you do 2 divided by 2, and that's going to equal 1. So, So, your midpoint is, sorry, I had to get a charger. So your midpoint of this line segment is 0.5. Oh, what is wrong? 0.5 and 1. And that will be right around here. So I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to add this midpoint. So the midpoint should be right. I'll just copy and paste the circle. Your midpoint would be right here. That's 0.5, and that's 1. And that's how you find the midpoint. Now, to find the midpoint of, like, from here to here, you just do the exact same thing. So divide the line segment into fourths. You just, I was thinking of dividing it into, fourths, as in, like, if I put 1 here and here, is that 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Wait, no. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. To divide it by fourth, you do the exact same thing, except put it from the midpoint to one of the endpoints. Sorry, let's just say this one is A, B, and the midpoint is C. Sorry, I forgot to clarify that in the beginning. But yes, to find A, B, and C, so just to divide it by 4, you just need to find the midpoint of C and B and C and A, and then you have it in fourths. So, not to make this video long, I think I pretty much explained how to do it. I just showed you, like, what you need to do next, which is pretty simple. It's just the same thing, but with this point, and then this point with that point, and you will find 2 points over here, and you have it in fourths. So if it's not clear, I can show it to you. So let's just pretend that somewhere over here is another midpoint, and somewhere over here is another midpoint. And so 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all you gotta do, and that will be D and E. So just to make it clearer, actually, wait, never mind. Okay, wait. I can say this is A, and this is B. And then your midpoint right here is C. And that is 0.5 and what was it? 1. So this is what is happening. Technical difficulties. What is happening? What is this? I need to get out of this. Let me just pause the video and get back to you. And we're back. Sorry again. So that is your midpoint, and all you need to do is find this midpoint, C and B, and this midpoint, A and C. Because that, if you find this midpoint and this midpoint, you have it divided into fourth. 1, 2, 3, fourth. And it is just the same formula except with different points. And that is how you, oh shoot, I forgot to save it. Okay. That is how you can divide it into 4 by using the formula of midpoint. Okay? So that's pretty cool. Now, how do I stop this? I forgot how to stop this.